अस्सलाम वालेकुम दानिश भाई, मैं बीमार बीमार हैं आप। हाय हाय स्नेहल, हाउ आर यू? गुड टू hear from you, man. Minihal, hi. Say my name, Danish Jagga. Jagga is my dog's name as well, but Jagga, hi, how are you? भाई एक बार मेरा नाम लो। Awaze 007 like Bond. Awaze, hi Umar, Rosie, Roach, hi. Mr. Kamil, song is lovely, thank you. हाँ मैं actually I had come here to talk about my song only. So song release हुआ है, I think a lot of people have joined, there 300-400. Say my name, Farman. Song is nice, thank you. Hey, assalamu alaikum, you're looking very cute, thank you. Rosie, Roach, thank you so much. And अगर आप लोगों ने गाना देखा है कुछ, if you have any questions for me, you want me to answer, please go ahead, otherwise I'll start what I want to say. मेरा क्वेश्चन का आंसर दो। चैम्प कहाँ है मेरा? चैम्प इज डूइंग हिज वर्किंग आउट। उमर भाई उमर भाई मेरा नाम लो प्लीज। शोएब शेख 3320। दम तो आवाज में है भाई, हम इट्स माई डैड और मी और आसिम, आवाज में दम है, तभी तो हम में भी दम है। We got like a good bass to our voice, I would say. Yeah. Lots of love from Iran. Neela Barani. So we have people from Iran all over the world, man. That's so nice. आशिक भाई किधर है? आशिक भाई कौन है bro? I don't know who आशिक is. मेरा नाम मोहम्मद अली। तो गाइस सॉन्ग रिलीज़ हुआ है 11 अगस्त को, वेडनेसडे को, और काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस आया आप लोगों से। एंड कांट बी मोर हैप्पी। एक्चुअली देखा जाए मेरा पहला सॉन्ग था, तो दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज़ लाइक वेरी क्लोज टू मी, बिकॉज पहली बार कुछ ऐसा कैमरे के आगे करने को मिला मेरे को। एंड जब सॉन्ग मिला तो ऑफ कोर्स आई वांटेड टू डू दिस, बट आई नेवर न्यू कि यार अब करना कैसे है। सॉन्ग मिल गया, हाँ बोल दिया कि हाँ अब कर लेंगे, बट हाउ टू डू इट, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम एन एक्टिंग बैकग्राउंड, कुछ ऐसा है नहीं कि यू गो एंड एक्ट। तो बहुत सारे थॉट्स थे कि विल आई बी एबल टू डू इट। तो वहाँ पे गए एंड दिस that so I could actually show that emotion, that character I could portray, and it came out very well. I was very happy, but the thing is pandemic हो गया, दोबारा pandemic हो गया, and we could not release this song. तो फिर you need to find some labels as well. तो label नहीं मिल रहा था, pandemic का offices बंद थे, तो इतना डिले हो गया सॉन्ग। बट इन बिटवीन दैट आई गॉट अ सॉन्ग विद दिलजीत, सो वी कुड डू दैट एंड दैट केम आउट वेरी अर्ली। तो ये सॉन्ग आई जस्ट वांटेड दिस सॉन्ग टू कम आउट बाय, बिकॉज आई डिडंट नो आई विल बी एबल टू डू दिस, बिकॉज जो डायरेक्टर थे राज, ही वांटेड so much out of the song, as in script wise or the character wise, and being a very new face, I didn't know कि मैं कर पाऊँगा। बट जब वो हुआ and we shot the whole song and I was really happy about it. I don't know about the views कि कितना views इसके जाएंगे, I don't know about millions or what, but I would say the project and the song is very special. It will always remain special because पहला था, और I could show my versatility कि I can do as an actor. Because there's a lot of there's crying, there's a lot of love, there's a lot of emotion in this song, and the lyrics are really good, written by Asif, who controls Radiance Entertainment, I would say. फैज़ल फरीद नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट, पहले अभी हम इस बारे में बात करते हैं, इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में, फिर हम नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे। तो ये प्रोजेक्ट बहुत स्पेशल था मेरे लिए. मैं चाहता था बस रिलीज़ हो जाए, मैं इसी के पीछे था, लेट्स रिलीज़ दिस. बट समहाउ वो ये महीना था 11th of August, फाइनली ये रिलीज़ हुआ. हमने जान में एक्चुअली शूट किया था. सो इट्स बीन लाइक लॉन्ग जर्नी, लॉन्ग टाइम ऑफ वेट. अब आपकी रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा है. आई कुड रीड द कमेंट्स दैट यू गाइज हैव बीन सपोर्टिंग इट, बट आई जस्ट वांट यू गाइज टू सपोर्ट मी मोर and keep sharing this song with other people, with your friends and family. If you can share, and if you can kisi tagline pe, if you can make some reels out of it, it will really be nice. And I'm going to be sharing that on my story, I would say. So sir, one word for Rashmi. Hina, Rashmi, I would say Rashmi is a friend and she's a sweetheart. I mean, दो अब मिलना इतना हो नहीं पाया, बट शी इज़ बिजी विद प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड यू गेट बिजी विद वर्क. बट वी डू कनेक्ट ऑन व्हाट्सएप और इंस्टाग्राम. तो वो एक इट्स नॉट लाइक द बिग बॉस हैपेंड एंड इट्स ओवर. ना, आई मीन व्हेन आई मेक फ्रेंड्स आई मेक देम फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, एंड शी इज़ सो स्वीट, I would say. And she's always been supportive. Any song I would just send her, she would post on her story, and never a word from her, ki never a hit. I mean, she's always there to support. So I would just say, Rashmi, thank you so much, and lots of love. When you coming to Big Boss, bro, Big Boss के लिए आना चाहता हूँ मैं. बिग बॉस जो टीवी पे आएगा कलर्स वाला, सो आई हैव दिस थिंग फॉर दैट टीवी वन. सो आई डोंट नो व्हेन, बट इंशाल्लाह आई थिंक टाइम, एवरीथिंग हैपन्स एट द राइट मोमेंट, एट द राइट टाइम. क्योंकि मेरे जैसे प्रोजेक्ट्स डिले हुए, जो भी हुआ, बट वो एक राइट टाइम पे जब रिलीज़ होता है और फिर आपको समझ आता है आई थिंक दैट thing was meant for today only, and maybe this is good for me. So मैं हर चीज़ even if it's no from the other side, I find it, I take it in a good way. Maybe that is not right for me right now. So I think it's not right for me right now. But हाँ, TV के लिए आएगा. I was always up for the TV Big Boss. So yeah, let's see. I don't know. एक बार ज्वाइन करो भाई अभी ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते, किसी दिन और करेंगे ज्वाइन. अभी तो just gonna talk about the song. And if you guys have any questions regarding the song, you wanna ask me any questions, bro, guys, please come on. I mean, this is the right time. I'm all heads up for you. You're ignoring all my messages. No, it's not about that. I get a lot of messages. I mean, so it's not possible for me to reply to everybody, but I read all your messages, guys. And all your whoever sends me shit messages as well, so I read them, but I don't respond to everyone because I only entertain positive energy in my life. Negative, there are a lot of people who's going to talk negative about you, who's going to talk shit about you. You will hear from them, you'll read their messages, but it's like a wall in front of me. I don't let those things even get into my mind. So it's like, it's not about ignoring, it's just that I can't reply. Please make a song for doctors. Yeah, I mean, I think doctors are the real heroes, I would say. I mean, there's a lot of doctors who lost their lives in this pandemic, I would say. I mean, we doctors are really selfless, I would say. I mean, एक inherent emotion होता है हमें, you got to work even if there are people are in trouble, or there's a disease outside who's taking lives, who's killing people. But we have been trained like that, you never say never, you never say no, you are always like yes, you have to help people. I think that's this beautiful profession all about. So I don't know, somehow making a song takes a lot of effort, takes a lot of team. So somehow if things come up, surely gonna do that, brother. I'll keep that in mind. That's a really nice thought, I would say. Colors किसी TRP आएगा if you come to किसी Now we got some shit people as well who's writing a lot of shit, man, bro. You see good vibes only I got on my wall as well. So you guys are not entertained here, bro. Go do something in your life. Don't come on my wall and talk shit. Yes, sir. I hope I'll get a chance to meet you. For sure, bro. It's nothing, not big deal to meet me, bro. Focus on your uh, goals, I would say. Rashmi Desai, when will you do a project, Rashmi Bhide? I mean, you never know. Anything can happen. So I got fingers crossed and minds open. Let's see what happens. Good vibes always. Yeah, no, my brother's in the live feed and good vibes. And I need people like that. Only good vibes, throwing me good vibes. So yeah, bro, all about good vibes. Say cutie pie. Assalamualaikum, assalam, bro. And तो हाँ, हम सॉन्ग के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. गुनाह कर दे सॉन्ग. तो दीपेश अग्रवाल है जो सिंगर है, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल वॉइस है. गॉट रियली हाई नोट्स एंड आई लव इट. एंड आसिफ ने गाना लिखा है एंड आसिफ इज़ अ रियली गुड राइटर. सबा के साथ इट वाज माय फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट टू परफॉर्म. आई वाज रियली नाइस. Sabah has been a real friend and been a really good co-actor. Love from Pakistan. Nabil, hi, how are you? Thank you so much, brother. So this live is going somewhere, I would say. Yvette, you're too cute. Thank you, you're cute as well. Official banger, hi. That's a nice name. Asim Bhai Khan hai, bro. Asim is doing his work. Looking, thank you. Somebody will say. Okay, so what else we'll talk about. तो मैं चाहूँगा कि we got like 200. Initially we had 400 people on my live feed, so it is reduced to 200, but it's okay. So these 200 people, 224 people watching me right now, you've entertained my live session. So all I want to say is, if you guys can make reels on my song and just tag me and Sabah or Dipesh or Radiance Entertainment, we're gonna repost all your reels on our account. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That is what we're gonna do, man. So I hope you guys support me in this venture as well. So it's gonna be really nice. Bro, Abhi, Dubai, love you. Oh my. So we got Dubai, we got Iran, we got Pakistan. So we got all our neighboring countries joining me. So that is really nice. I mean, this feed is going somewhere. Oh, love you from Bhadarwa. Oh my God. So we got people from Bhadarwa. I would tell you guys that my late grandmother, I hope Allah gives her soul peace. She rests in peace. So she's from Bhadarwa. So we got roots from Bhadarwa, and so Bhadarwa has been a really nice place, and we used to go to, every summers, because the temperature is like summers, winters, temperature is always very cold. So it's a lot of memories from Bhadarwa, I would say. Thank you, brother, for joining. Salam from London. Walaikum assalam. So I told you this feed is going somewhere. So I'm so happy to have you guys come here, appreciate my work, appreciate what I'm doing. So all you guys from Pakistan, from Iran, from London. So guys, if you make reels, so I would like you to just make some reels and just tag me, and we're gonna repost that and share the song with your loved one, I would say, and tell them to share again and again, just so that this song, a lot of effort in this song, so that the reach is good, and the views are good enough. So I would say, yeah, looking handsome. Anything else? Follow me on. Love you from Jammu to Jammu. So we got people from Jammu, from my hometown as well. So that's really nice. So you Jammu people, so bro, let's make some reels and promote this song, and tag me. I'm gonna repost your song. Which surgeon are you? So Shifa Hussain. So I'm a general surgeon. I've done my MS general surgery. I've done MBBS. Then I've done MS general surgery. So and now I'm doing my registrarship, or you say clinical associate. I'm practicing general surgery, but I'm interested in plastic surgery, so I'm going to be doing. So I do some procedures, but so I'm really interested in that as well. And there are a lot of questions about me, like, do you still go to work? People ask me a lot of questions. So yes, I am still employed, still making some money, still paying my bills on my own. So people are really worried कि he posts pictures and whether he's working or not, has he left the job. So brother, so my profession is there, my passion is there. I'm trying to juggle in between them, doing it easily with God's grace and His mercy, I would say. So don't be worried about me, and those questions are for you guys. Don't be worried about my employment. I'm doing good. I'm doing fine on my own, brothers. So happy hugs. Salman Adeem hugs. Happy Independence Day, I would say. Omar sir, मैं भी जम्मू से बताओ Dogri I understand. ऐसा नहीं है. I've had people around me who used to talk in Dogri. So Dogri I understand, but वो accent नहीं आया है कभी. But I understand everything. I understand Marathi also because I've worked in government setup. People come with Marathi. They speak Marathi, Hindi, Marathi similar है, तो I understand them. So it's not a problem for me now. Happy days, bro. Hi. You're from India. You're my Abhishek, brother. What are you typing, bro? You need to have some better crush. Love you, bro. Love you too. Thank you. Take my name, Shiva. It's okay. No worry. Not a big thing for me to say your name. डोगरी में कुछ बोलो. वन वर्ड, वो एक वर्ड है जो मुझे फाइंड रियली फनी, सो डोगरी में ऐसा होता है व्हेन यू लाइक समथिंग लाइक ड्रिंक और फूड सम यू लाइक रियली लाइक, सो यू से बड़ा शैल है, तो सो शैल इज़ अ डोगरी वर्ड. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. जैसे बड़ा शैल खाना है. So that is how it is. Love you. Love from Switzerland. Oh my God, Switzerland. That's nice. So in Switzerland also people, they're listening to my song. So that's nice. So people from Switzerland. So I want you to send to all your Indian friends, all your homies this song and tell them to make some reels out of it. And I'm gonna repost them. Whatever I can, I would say. क्या हाल है डोगरी में बोलो आप. क्या हाल है. कश्मीरी में आता है कैचू करन. सो कैचू करन इज हाउ यू डूइंग. सो दैट आई नो कश्मीरी में. कोशर छू तगन. ब्रदर कश्मीरी बहुत कम समझ आती है और घर पे भी ज़्यादा बोलते नहीं है कश्मीरी, तो थोड़ा बहुत समझ जाते हैं, बट नॉट लाइक टॉकिंग लाइक फ्लुएंटली तो मैं नहीं समझ पाऊँगा. बाकी छोटा मोटा आता है मुझे, वो मैंने बता दी कैचू करन. Love from UP, so we got UP people in the live feed. Great song, thank you so much. So I want you guys to talk about the song. Ask me something about the song. I'm here to, you ask me some questions, man. I get the love you and everything. Of course, I really appreciate that. But I need some questions I want to answer. Come on, let's do Happy Independence Day. You're in space, says science. I don't know. That was a lot of. It's a long message. Please join live. I can't join right now anyone, so it's just me right now. You gotta tolerate me right now. Talk some words in Marathi. Yeah, so we got some people from Mumbai, Maharashtra. So Marathi में मैं बोलता हूँ. I think that's I think that's a social message as well. So Maja mask, Maji Suraksha. So that means it's your mask and it's your responsibility. So that means to say that you gotta wear your mask, and so you're gonna be protected against the disease. If you don't want to wear a mask, so you'll catch the disease. So Maja mask, Maji Suraksha. What do you say, guys? Z music, bro. Don't talk about that. That's the who's. Hello, love from Pakistan. Thank you so much. Happy Independence Day from Pakistan. Happy Independence to you guys as well. And a lot of love from everyone right now, so I'm really happy. Thank you. Love from Jammu Sidra. Okay, so we got some people from hometown and from where I live, so that's really nice. Thank you for coming live. And brother, if you can just share the song to Jammu people and just tell them to make some reels, and we're going to be posting some reels of your song. What is this? Big Boss 15. Please. Also, I wanted to start my YouTube channel, and I already have a YouTube, but इतने ज़्यादा subscribers नहीं. But I just want some ideas. कि, you know what? Should I post some videos on that? What kind of videos should I post on that? Because I really want to grow my YouTube as well. I've been trying hard on Instagram, but now I want to try on my YouTube app as well. So if you can tell me, guys, if you have any suggestions, I can post some things from medical field and some hair care, how I do my hair or how I take care of my skin or something which I always worried about. आप भी और Big Boss भी full support करेंगे. Thank you guys, but right now I want support for my song right now. So it will be really nice if you support this song, if you share it. If you go in my bio, you don't even have to go and type on YouTube, guys. I've made really easy for you. Go on my Instagram channel, on my bio. I just shared the link. Just click on that, and voila, the song is yours to listen. Yes, so we need hair care video and skin care too. Okay, I'm getting some suggestions. That's nice. Cut your shave. What is that? Cut your shave. भाई बिग बॉस की बातें तो बाद में, बट अभी कुछ और बातें हो जाए. हेलो, डेली लाइफ व्लॉग शुड बी नाइस. डेली लाइफ ब्रो, आई मीन मोस्टली वर्किंग, so I don't think that is going to be very interesting as well. Sing your new song from Aligarh. Sing your song. If I wanted to sing, I would have sung, but my job was to act. Bro, sorry. YouTube चैनल के लिंक में भी कुछ है नहीं खास. So I just want you guys to just tell me what should I post workout videos on YouTube. Yeah, we can do that. Are you doing surgeries? Yes, I do. I'm a clinical assistant, so I do surgeries in the hospital. Not, I don't have a private setup or something. I do surgery here. Fine. What is your new project? Definitely it's going to be a music video only, because right now I'm getting some offers, but let's see. But definitely a music video. Black shirt पहनो भाई. Black भी पहन लेते, but black बहुत पहनते हैं, तो आज orange, some cool, like some cool shirt, resort shirt. So I think looking fine, I would say. What happened to your eyes? I don't know. It's just that nothing much. But आज मुझे सब लॉग पोस्ट करो. When are you coming to सिद्धरा? भाई जब घर आएंगे तो सिद्धरा ही आएंगे, but आएंगे.